Dear customer, this is our automatic Nylon Zipper Ultrasonic U-shaped top stop machine. This machine with one welding head. The function is fix the transparent top stop. This machine the output is about 1100 PCS per hour for 20 cm zipper. This machine we made is number 7, if you need other size, we also can make 2. Now let me show you the machine. This one is touch screen. This is ultrasonic box. This one is electric box. This is transparent top stop wire, the size is number 7, width is 2.4 mm, thickness is 0.95 mm. This is the number 7 nylon zipper, which after gapping, with bottom stop and slider. The zipper will be went through form here. This one is welding head. Okay. Okay, let us start the machine. The zipper will be went through form here, you can see, this way. And the top stop will be fixed here. Okay, let us check the result. You can see the top stop, it is very beautiful.